Welcome to Study Loop.
In this question, we have to sketch the stress distribution acting over the section AA of a C frame. So if we draw the free body diagram of the C frame in the section AA, we can find the normal load, which is equal to 8 kilonewton, and the bending moment, it is 1.808 times 10 to the power of 3 Newton meter. And from the cross-sectional area, we can find A and I as follow. So the maximum tensile stress of this section, it occurs at P over A plus mx over I, where x is 0.026 meter. So that is P divided by A plus m times x divided by I. And that is 106 megapascal for the maximum tensile stress. And for the maximum compressive stress, it is P over A minus mc over I. That is minus m. So for C here, it is 0.07 minus 0.026 divided by 0.4773 10 minus 6, and that is minus 159 megapascal. So we can draw the stress distribution across the area is like this. The maximum compressive stress occurred here, and the maximum tensile stress occurred here at 106 megapascal, and here it is minus 159 megapascal. It's be like this. And this length is x, and x can be found by x divided by 159 is equal to 70 minus x divided by 106. To resolve this, you have that x is 41.9 millimeter. And that is the answer.